SakaFet. Hi, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be making a sweet bread. If you want to see how I make this recipe, keep watching. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Before we start baking, I would like to take this opportunity to say welcome to all my subscribers and thank you for watching SakaFeteFood. Now let's get baking. These are all the ingredients that we will be using to make the sweetbread. The exact measurements will be listed in the description bar below. First we have some flour, and it's all-purpose flour, raisins, eggs, coconut, mixed fruits, sugar, some salt, a little bit of sugar which we will add to our yeast, and yeast. Now I'm going to get my yeast ready. So in this bowl I'm going to put a cup of warm water with the yeast and a little bit of sugar. And I'm going to leave that and let it rise. It's going to sit for about 5 minutes. Alright, so coconut is going in here in this little blender, and we are going to mix that up. So you don't want to put too much water in that, just enough to cover it. And then we are going to blend it to get some coconut milk, and it will be all grated. You want to get it so just so it blends nice. Let's check it. Oh, that looks good. Yep, let's take a look. Oh yes, you can see. So now we have like coconut milk, but it's also grated coconut, and that's going to go into our mixture. Everything is going to be done in the stand mixer with the dough attachment. Okay, so everything is going to go in here. So we got our 3 cups of flour here. Now I'm going to add some sugar, some salt, give that a stir. Next thing is the yeast. Making bread, so yeast. Next I'm going to add some eggs to that, coconut, and this is the milk and also the grated coconut, gives it a little bit of texture. And next is our fruits. So we have our mixed fruits and our raisins. I'm going to get that started. Let's check it. Now you can see we want to leave it. It was turning into a little ball. Everything's blended nicely. Okay, that looks good. You don't want to over knead it. Perfect. So I'm just going to take that down, and we're going to take that out. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So we have this. So what I want to do is get a little bit of flour and just kind of dust it all over this, just so I can work with it and get it out. See, like that. So we just get that flour on there. Then you want to just lift it out like that and just dust it. So your dough is supposed to be nice and soft, but not too soft. We just want to put it in a little in the bottom of the bowl and just put it right in there. And what you want to do with this is you just put a clean towel over it and just leave it until it kind of double in size. I would think about an hour. It will take time to double in size. Okay guys, so let's see. See, our sweetbread dough is ready. First, I'm going to take some flour and I'm just going to flour this board. because you want to rest it on there. And then I'm going to take this and just put it onto that. I'm going to just go over this and just kind of get the air out of it. So you just want to press it in, so you want to get all the air out. And again, you can just use a little bit of flour. Okay, that's it. Now our next step, we're gonna take our rolling pin, and I am just going to roll it because I want to make it into a loaf. Look how pretty that looks, huh? So colorful. Just looks so good. I have the pan right here, and what I'm going to do is just spray that pan. So that's it, all greased, and this is where I'm going to put it. So I grease that up. Okay, and now I'm just going to take this. I guess I needed a little more flour on this board. Get it into a nice roll. So we want to close that up. So what I'm going to do is just roll it. Make sure you close it up really well. So see that? You just dust it off. Nice little loaf. See, that's what you want to get. Now it's all done in my pan. I'm just going to cover it up, and now it's going to rise again and fill up the pan. All right, so let's see. As you can see, our loaf, it's all up and fill out the pan. Could come up a little bit more, but that's going to happen in the oven. Gonna put a little bit of my butter on the top. I'm gonna try this. Look at that, it is so moist, it's soft. Around the crust. Not too sweet. That's really good. Really, really good. Oh, and it tastes delicious. And here you have it, guys, our delicious sweet bread recipe. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again next time.